Dear students, today we will discuss a crucial aspect of UPSC preparation, newspaper reading. Many of you often ask, Ma'am, is reading newspapers necessary for UPSC? The answer is a resounding yes. And to emphasize its importance, let us look at the newspaper reading habits of the toppers who secured AIR 1 in recent years. Aditya Srivastava, AIR 1, UPSC 2023. Aditya Srivastava strongly advocated reading the Hindu and the Indian Express. He emphasized that newspapers enhance analytical skills and help develop a better understanding of diverse issues. According to him, the Hindu provided in-depth analysis, while Indian Express helped him gain diverse opinions. Ishita Kishore, AIR 1, UPSC 2022. Ishita Kishore religiously read the Hindu every day. She credited newspapers for improving her essay writing skills and CSAT comprehension. She found them invaluable for mains articulation and staying updated with current affairs. Shruti Sharma, AIR 1, UPSC 2021. Shruti Sharma followed a strategic approach. She read the Hindu regularly and supplemented it with PIB and PRS India. Her focus was on analytical understanding rather than rote memorization. She maintained concise notes and integrated them into her study materials, ensuring better retention and clarity. Shubham Kumar, AIR 1, UPSC 2020. Shubham Kumar read both the Hindu and Indian Express, prioritizing editorials and the explained section. Instead of blindly consuming news, he focused on analytical reading. He also referred to PIB for government updates and made short notes to aid in revision. Pradeep Singh, AIR 1, UPSC 2019. Pradeep Singh utilized the Hindu and Indian Express to develop a balanced perspective for answer writing. He supplemented newspapers with the internet and magazines to enhance his preparation. His interview revolved around government schemes, farmers' issues, and international relations, demonstrating the role of newspapers in developing a well-rounded approach. Kanishk Kataria, AIR 1, UPSC 2018. Kanishk Kataria followed a selective approach to reading the Hindu, ensuring he did not spend excessive time on newspapers. He relied on monthly current affairs compilations while acknowledging that newspapers improved analytical skills and issue-based understanding. Anudeep Durishetty, AIR 1, UPSC 2017. Anudeep Durishetty focused only on UPSC-relevant news in the Hindu and Indian Express. He limited his newspaper reading to 30 to 45 minutes, prioritizing issues over incidents. Instead of making notes, he relied on daily and monthly news compilations from coaching institutes for thorough coverage. Key takeaways: 1. Read either the Hindu or Indian Express daily. Prioritize editorials and opinion pages. 2. Develop analytical skills. Focus on issues rather than just incidents. 3. Make short, concise notes. This will help in quick revision before the exam. 4. Use PIB and PRS India for government policies. These sources provide authentic updates. 5. Limit newspaper reading time to 45 minutes max. Avoid spending hours reading every news item. 6. Supplement with monthly current affairs compilations. Coaching materials can help consolidate information. Dear students, consistent newspaper reading will not just keep you informed but will also refine your answer writing, comprehension, and critical thinking skills, which are vital for clearing the UPSC exam. So, start today and make newspaper reading an essential part of your preparation. Thank you.